Hello guys, welcome to agriculture tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about history of Indian tobacco. Due to the exam of ctri, Central Tobacco Research Institute Rajahmundry conducting one of the exam, it is useful for that exam. History of Indian tobacco. The tobacco cultivation in India was introduced by Portuguese in 1605. Initially, tobacco was grown in Kaira and Meghasana districts of Gujarat and later spread to other areas of the country. The attempts of cultivation of Indian tobacco has begun with the establishment of Kolkata Botanical Gardens in Ahura in 1787. In 1814, 7 species of Nicotiana imported from America were cultivated in botanical gardens of Kolkata. In 1875, a model farm was established at Puza, Bihar for growing and curing tobacco. Earlier, a model farm was established in 1875 in Puza, Bihar for growing and curing the tobacco. The farm was given under operational lease to Beg Dunlop and his co-workers in 1873 for continuation of tobacco trials. Earlier, British people in India ruled our country. The Portuguese also conquered our coastal areas. There in West Bengal they cultivated the tobacco and they conducted the experiments for curing and cultivation of tobacco. 1875 to 1903, Virginia tobacco was grown on the leased farm by Mr. Dunlop to meet the requirements of UK cigarette factories. Imperial Agriculture Research Institute, established in 1903, carried out 1903 to 1905. 1905, Imperial Agriculture Institute established, carried out botanical and genetical studies of tobacco. The first director of Imperial Agriculture Research Institute, Dr. Howard, isolated 52 lines of tobacco. Later, Shah and Kashiram added 18 more lines in the series. Among those lines, NP28, NP58 and NP63 were found most promising. They worked on the both Nicotiana tobacco and Nicotiana rustica. This is the brief history of Imperial Agriculture Research Institute tobacco trials. First director of IARI, Dr. Howard, isolated 52 lines, and later Shah and Kashiram added 18 more. In that, NP28 and NP58 and NP63 found most promising varieties of both Nicotiana tobacco and rustica species. In 1940, Dr. B.P. Paul, the Royal Economic Botanist of IARI, identified a selection NP70 which became very popular among the tobacco growing area of North Bihar due to its superior quality, and they said the variety to be continued as popular as among the farmers till 1960s. Virginia tobacco cultivation and experiments were initiated in Puza and Ghazipur in Uttar Pradesh. Commercial cultivation of Virginia tobacco in India in black soils was commenced in 1920. The commercial cultivation of tobacco of Virginia species in India commenced in the year 1920. Flue curing was first successfully done in 1928 at Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. After 1930, India found a place on the world tobacco map. IRI established a cigarette tobacco research station at Guntur during 1936. IARI established a cigarette tobacco research station at Guntur 1936. During that 1943 to 44 period, the excise duty on tobacco was introduced, and since then, tobacco remained as an important source of excise revenue. Realizing the importance of tobacco in national income and their economy, the Government of India constituted the Indian Central Tobacco Committee (ICTC) in 1945. Indian Central Tobacco Committee. This is the most important in my sense. 1945 committee has been established. The Central Tobacco Research Institute was established in 1947 under the aegis of ICTC, means Indian Central Tobacco Committee in Madras. The function of CTRI, Central Tobacco Research Institute, was taken over by Indian Council of Agriculture Research in 1965. CTRI, Central Tobacco Research Institute, has seven regional research stations located at Guntur, Kandukur, Jilgumelli, Ansur, Vedansur, Dinahat, and Pooja, and a research center at Jadangi, presently shifted to Kalvacherla. Recently, CTRI research station Pooja was merged with the newly established ICR research complex for Eastern Region, Patna. CTRI research station Pooja was newly merged with the ICR research complex for Eastern Region, Patna during 2001. This is the brief history of Indian tobacco cultivation and the origin and the forefronters of Indian history in cultivation of Indian tobacco. Thank you, friends. Have a nice day.